Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European Indices for the 7th of August. So on the daily chart here, we can have this as wave 1 over here, an A wave here, a B wave here, and then a C wave here. If that's going to be the case, we need to look at this as 5 waves here, and then an A and a B, already done, completed here, and a C wave here, and then wave 3, 4, and 5 in that case. Okay, so we just need to be aware of that, and that would look a little bit like, well, it would look like this on the intraday chart. So from the top, we would have wave B here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for 1, an A wave here, a B wave here that's finished that we were looking for last time we spoke, and then wave C over here for wave 2 here. Last time we spoke we had this as wave B here, but wave 2 would be the right one, and then wave 3, 4 and 5 to the downside. The flip side to this is that we can view that as corrective here, and we'll look at that on the hourly chart here in this way as an ABC pattern coming down here for a wave 4 and then moving up from that point. In that case, as we spoke last time, we had 5 waves up here and we were looking for an ABC pattern here. I know it got a bit long and complicated, but it's in place now. We can see that we've got that there as the B wave here, and then the wave C down here, so an A and a B and a C wave here. That means if that's the case, then we'll be looking for a move up here in 5 waves that will take us above this top here. So even in the other pattern that we looked at where we were looking for an A and a B and a C wave here, they're both really on the same point until we get to here. So in the bearish move, we'll be coming down from here after we've completed 5 waves to the upside here, and in this case here, otherwise we'll find support on the 13,000. So getting support on the 13,000 would be a small process of classic trading levels pattern: the arrival, the reaction, the first high above the level, and so on until we move up from that point there. So, but yeah, in the meantime, we should see a push to the upside here. If this level here, the 12,500, becomes the retested resistance, then we know that we're in a bearish pattern, because the other little thing that could occur here, this is actually a high here. So when you think about it, we could actually have, this is the A wave here, then an A and a B and a C wave to here for the B wave, and then up here for the C wave here. So that could actually be the C wave sitting here, and then we move down from that point here. So it's, if you see strength here, then you can move in long here, and we will expect to, well, there'll be problems at 12.8, but 13,000 is where we're heading to. So for the FTSE here, it's kind of the same pattern here as well here, in that last time we spoke, and in line with the DAX, we looked at this as 1 and 2 here, and 3 and 4 here. That wave 4 can actually move in a little bit closer here. I suppose it could just go here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But still, either way, we've still got a nice A wave, B wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for the C wave. So we should see further upside from that point. So technically taking out this high would be the safe point, but I'm bringing it down to this high if you want to get a small position in here. But otherwise, really looking to build in a position on the 6,100 would be the safe move here as the arrival, the reaction, the first high above the level, and some type of correction here, and then move up on these reference point highs here. Any movement further down here, yes, it could move down because it hasn't really moved in the 61.8% mark. So we could look at this as the A wave, the B wave, and the C wave here. So that's what we need to be mindful of. We're still looking for the US market to push higher, so perhaps that will help us take this higher as well. But while it's above the 6,000, then we need to be looking for long trades. If this market becomes, this 6,000 becomes the retested resistance here after a move down into the 61.8%, if that does occur, then that low becomes critical for any short trades at that point. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. Cheers.